to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be doing some minor cosmetic mods on the outside of the Stinger. I went ahead and picked up some blackout tape so that we can do both of the chrome strips on either side of the back window there, and I'll show you why I'm doing those here in just a little bit. And then I also got an overlay for the new Kia badges that are on the front of the car. So let's go ahead and get this stuff installed, and then we'll see what it looks like. Alrighty, as you can see here, these chrome strips are super prone to getting water spots, and they kind of stain on there. They don't really like to clean off that well. There are some waxes and polishes that you can use to take it off if you rub it pretty good, but I mean, it's just kind of annoying to have to deal with that. And plus, to me, it doesn't really look right that there's just a single chrome strip back here when the rain guards that are over both doors have covered up the rest of the chrome there. So let's go ahead and get these strips installed on here, and then we'll do the overlay on the front. Alrighty, that's looking pretty good. I've got to say, I definitely like that a lot better than the chrome strips. Let's go ahead up here to the front and check out the emblem. Yeah, that looks pretty good as well. And some of you may be wondering, yes, the hood is also wrapped in a matte black vinyl, kind of like what we used, although it's in a lot bigger sheets. I didn't do it myself. I had a buddy do it, but that is what is on the hood. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. I'll be leaving links in the description down below for the Kia emblem overlays and the blackout tape, just in case you've got some chrome on your car that you want to get rid of. Again, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out the video. I hope to see you in my next one.